Understanding hot and heavy, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hot and heavy. This is a common English expression that can be a bit confusing for learners. Let's break it down together to understand its meanings and how to use it in different contexts. First, let's look at the words hot and heavy separately. Hot can refer to something with a high temperature, and heavy means having a lot of weight. However, when these words are combined in the phrase hot and heavy, they take on different meanings. Often, hot and heavy is used to describe a romantic relationship that is very passionate and intense, especially in its early stages. It implies a strong physical and emotional connection between two people. For example, after their first date, things got hot and heavy between them. This phrase can also be used in other contexts. For instance, in a debate or argument, if things are getting hot and heavy, it means the situation is becoming intense and heated. It's not just about romance. It's about the intensity of any situation. It's important to understand the cultural context. Hot and heavy might be considered informal or slang, and it's often used among younger people. Be mindful of the setting when using this phrase, as it can be too informal or personal in certain situations. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, hot and heavy, for you. Remember, understanding the context is key to using it correctly. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.